This baby seal, if it could speak, would say, "Ah!" We all want to change the world. But nobody wants to become a tofu-sniffing eco-crusty. There is a way to stand up to injustice while doing diddly bollocks. It's time to take action for change. This is why we are asking you to sponsor an activist today. Activist donor Constance Fiddlebottom exchanged letters with an activist that she sponsored for 5 years. The activist that I chose to sponsor was called Marrow. I chose him because he had dreadlocks and a recreational drugs habit. This is a photograph he sent me of himself padlocked to a detention centre. It would give me the most immense joy to know that Marrow wasn't having to raid a skip round the back of Lidl just to put food on his table. Then one year, I got a letter from his mother informing me that Marrow had a bath. Anti-capitalists urgently need your money. Set up a direct action direct debit with Sponsor an Activist and get a complimentary all property is theft keyring. Just £5 a month could help provide an activist with a compost toilet in a commune or a protest camp. £10 a month could provide an activist with badly needed soya milk for 2 weeks. Give an activist a D-lock and he can tie himself to a predator drone for a day. Give an activist a predator drone and he and his family can attack military installations for an entire generation. We've learned just how powerful it can be to get other people to break the law for you. That's why we're channeling the wealth of trust fund yuppies who don't pay tax to trust fund hippies who don't pay tax either. Join the movement, because sitting down is the new standing up. We believe that charity isn't just about helping people who can't. It's about helping people who won't. Because real change won't come from neighbourhood organisation, mass civil disobedience, or even the government pulling its finger out of its arse, but by you putting your finger where it's needed. Text "Get a Real Job" to 78512 to get your free Krusty Pack today. Go on, just sit there and sponsor an activist today. Sponsor an Activist takes no responsibility for activists who cannot be bothered to write to their donors.